Does artificial intelligence hold the key to superior military decision-making? This question is more relevant today than ever before. As we traverse further into the digital age, the role of artificial intelligence in military decision-making is expanding at a rapid pace. The potential benefits of this are multifold. For one, the use of artificial intelligence can dramatically improve the efficiency of military operations. It can sift through vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human, allowing for quicker, more informed decisions. The accuracy of these decisions is another significant advantage. AI systems can analyze and interpret complex patterns and variables that might otherwise be overlooked. But perhaps the most exciting prospect is the potential for AI to support commanders in making informed, data-driven decisions. By providing commanders with detailed, real-time information, AI can help them make strategic decisions that could drastically alter the course of a conflict. So, AI isn't just a concept, it's already being applied in military decision-making. But how, you might ask? To understand the practical implications, consider the case of Project Maven. This is an initiative launched by the US Department of Defense with a primary aim of integrating artificial intelligence into military operations. But how, you might ask? Well, it's quite intriguing. Project Maven harnesses the power of AI to sift through hours and hours of drone footage. Imagine a human analyst trying to do the same. It would take an enormous amount of time, and the margin for error due to human fatigue or oversight could be significant. Now replace that human analyst with an AI system. This system can not only process the footage at a much faster pace, but it can do so with remarkable accuracy. The technology behind Project Maven is designed to detect objects of interest in the footage. These could be anything from vehicles and buildings to individuals. The AI system is trained to recognize these objects, even in complex environments. It's like having